Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get characters like Deadpool in Marvel Rivals. To acquire new heroes, you'll primarily use in-game currency called units, earned through active participation in matches and challenges. While Deadpool is a much-anticipated addition, the methods for unlocking him will follow the game's established systems. Let's dive into how you can prepare to add new powerful heroes to your team. Units are your key to unlocking new heroes and expanding your roster. You can earn them consistently by completing daily and weekly challenges, which refresh regularly and offer reliable rewards. Additionally, reaching specific gameplay milestones, like winning a certain number of matches or achieving high scores, will grant you bonus units. Don't forget to participate in limited-time events, as these often offer significant unit payouts for dedicated players. Beyond earning units, the Seasonal Battle Pass is another excellent way to expand your roster. As you play and level up your Battle Pass, you can unlock new characters as milestone rewards. Keep an eye out for special in-game events, which sometimes feature exclusive hero unlocks for completing unique objectives. For very rare heroes, a true draw system might offer a chance to acquire them using your earned units. While Deadpool is not yet a playable hero, he is highly anticipated and expected to join the game's roster in a future update. In the meantime, you can already show your fandom by acquiring a Deadpool-themed nameplate for 300 units. By consistently earning units and participating in all available events, you'll be well prepared to unlock Deadpool and any other exciting new heroes when they arrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.